FloatJet is marketed as a motorized inflatable watercraft that promises an exciting way to cruise across lakes, pools, and other calm waterways. The ads make it look fast, powerful, and effortless to ride. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, motorized inflatables are a legitimate product category and can be a fun way to enjoy the water when used as intended, what it does well. Fun and unique experience. It offers a different kind of water recreation compared to a standard inflatable. Portable design. The inflatable construction makes it easier to transport and store than a traditional watercraft, where the hype falls apart. It's not a jet ski replacement. This is the biggest issue. Despite the marketing, performance is much more limited than a personal watercraft. Battery life varies. Runtime depends on speed, rider weight, and water conditions. Inflatable construction has limitations. Sharp objects, rough terrain, and impacts can damage the material. So, should you buy FloatJet? Short answer, yes, if you know what you're getting. If you want a fun, recreational inflatable for calm water, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting the speed, durability, and handling of a real jet ski, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.